Hey guys, Uncle Pip here, and welcome to the October farm vlog video. This month has just been absolutely crazy. You might be able to see it behind me. It's this tractor here, the Farmall BN. I finally got a Farmall C pedal tractor for it. So now I got the pedal tractor for a 4020 next to a John Deere 2010, and I also got the Farmall BN next to the Farmall C. So I'm pretty happy. I finally got a matching set. That was a big deal to me, and I think it looks great. So going back to last month, I don't remember if I told everybody yet or not, but the truck was a starting issue. We got it fixed. So far, since I've replaced the starter and starting solenoid, I've had no issues with it. So I'm very hopeful at this point and confident in saying that was the actual problem. So I'm glad to say that's something that's been resolved. Some other stuff that's been happening, I brought you with me for the days of disassembly, and of course that was to disassemble the Farmall A as well as the thrashing machine. I got all the metal parts off the thrasher, and I've already made my money back off of it with that, so I'm happy. Later today, off camera, I will be cutting up the rest of the wood from that and disposing of that properly. So I'm sad to see it gone, but I'm happy that I was able to make money off of it. So I was approached yesterday with a idea for next year to do corn. Now, if you've been following this channel, I have never done corn before. So that's a brand new adventure I don't have the equipment for, and I found a way to get it. So that might happen, it might not. We're currently in the planning stages of corn for next year. I need to have the seed order in by January, so I have a little bit of time to establish what all we're going to do, how much we're going to do it, if we're going to do it, all of that kind of stuff. So we'll see. That's actually pretty exciting for me personally, and I hope it is for you at home. Some other stuff we've been going through is next year I am considering planning for chickens. I have not made any reservations yet about it. I haven't bought anything for it. Again, I don't have any equipment for that either. So this is 2023, the year of I don't know what I'm doing. It'll be fun. As for October, that's all I really have for the month of October. It's been kind of quiet outside of what we discussed. I don't have too much plans going into the winter. I just worked on winterizing everything. I put stabilized fuel and everything. And the generator I wanted to talk about, I have it with me today. I'm planning on taking the fuel out of it and replacing it with stabilized fuel. I hope you enjoy these videos, of course, and I'll see you next time.